Peace FM 104.3. Woodman Take.
Mami Fanfa Rollins time. NDC na yeba agriculture in the Upper East region and the Northern sector now. Rollins dance bebree. Satana me more Ministry of Food and Agriculture. Na when I was then the agroforestry officer or Upper East, Rollins within 4 years, 44 dams and dugouts in the Upper East region alone. Was also rehabilitating a whole lot of irrigation facilities in the Upper West region. North region so only irrigation Ghana Irrigation Development Authority. And so Juma Emma or rehabilitate the irrigation sector. And I said the irrigation dams now a war a same hormone. Emma you tomatoes in a jelly boku red. In fact, Emma Johnny Bouye almost supplied very to the southern sector now young and now I'm for Adria import to some of the tomato from Burkina Faso and Mali and jelly from Nigeria, because when we were self-reliant with what Rollins did under the Lacos Rep project and which or rehab or my agric extension officers in the whole of Ghana on my motorbikes non-fan deliver extension services your farmers or my district agric officers first crop folk tamu extension folk tamu animal folk tamu but no my district agric officer and every district or my one the inputs I want to deliver pick up all the whole of Ghana as is Saturday 110 districts. Every district had his car. District officers BBR gloves and knapsack sprayers that in your morning. That is the NDC for you in the Upper East region and in Northern region. In the Southern region also my seed production or Ghana for through the Council for Scientific and Industrial Research, then Grains and Legumes Development Board to me produce seed, improved seed. First now a brody Ghana no or no seed. Nana seed I can't trim say. Seed. Abba no brona bano. Oma yet training conforma produce a brotia and bakuru can be infinity. Oba tampa. That seed no. Emma in your seed producers association. Emma no produce seed. Etoma we got businessmen out of it. Bois manko for produce seed. So di eton e bagi e de koni na very good improvement in Rollins agriculture sector no. At the same time no so no under Raf Idi that time in the North region, Honorable Raf Idi, he check up MP couple no a minister. Raf Idi, not North region, so almost project agri projects a world man, almost to produce guinea fowls, kusia, improve the guinea fowl sizes, and they imported the guinea fowl kusiano from France, and on hatch, you can't choose Behane was you know, and guinea fowl go cross one, my local breeds no a it mean improve guinea fowls in the northern sector. And we had a lot of crop improvement programs. You introduce different varieties into the system. Your productivity a cost through. That is the Rollins time. Rollins time nankasa or introduce be a friend Farmers Day. You did bought for nabaso. So you Quenya bebo abaso. Rollins time sa na Ghana cocoa no a best 28 years 20 30 years that production no form productivity no form and now ya hwe ya our cocoa industry will be in danger. Rollins ma ye kati the old cocoa trees now down and or supply that under NDC or supply hybrid and improve cocoa seedlings to farmers free of charge. Ama yet we the rehabilitate cocoa na and then yet we do almost 1 million tons of cocoa production in Ghana has been. My main job from Rolling Star na memra Atamis Jomama ne Atamis omo modern so and continue with the agriculture sector. When you look at fisheries na memi of fisheries, you have modern import two vessels to combat petroling. That's petroling ni kan ya kabade no yenya yeto vessels akese mienu ema ne before no and a team marine police send about patrol on the sea to combat petroling, illegal fishing, IUU fishing day. So in the time of Mama Atamel's time, so we were able to produce agriculture. Atamel's achieve inflation, single digit inflation. That the main contribution of the single digit inflation is agriculture. Agriculture. So that agriculture, no, in our time, we gave a lot of extension, delivery tools and equipment. Emma, Omodi, Juma, the essential officers worked so hard. They were motivated. It's also farmers day, also organizing successfully. Emma, farmers nabaso. Emma, farmers look up on Munya award. No, always see that man. Almost said one couple, Shimon Kosia. I didn't swear to one coy. Shia Nima Kakra were bushi in terms of agriculture. Now so that time now our food production, crop production, animal production, everything went up. So food was very, the price of food was so low, and that culminated and look how be and it may achieve single digit inflation for a very long time. Adam Mama.
What time inflation a long time, sir?
Oh yes, sir. Under President Mills, that single digit inflation was for a very long time. For a very long time, yes.
No problem. What do you
now say? Mama, time no sura. We brought a project sponsored by the Canadians. Yeah, the extension delivery. And we na MP45 na. If you have now, size cano over $60 million now. Pickups, agriculture extension. Tools and equipment you be extension delivery, and I'm looking at planting for food and jobs, So in the agric frontier, the NDC has done very, very well for the people of Ghana. Near cocoa fertilizer. If you look at it, your time cocoa production went to almost 1 million tons per year. Up to now, at Tiaba form. From the NDC. It's the next NDC government. We can the next never.
Why not?
The next NDC government, yes, say, Yebema cocoa price, what's another buy, for the 4 years or to move 40 cities pay. But they make sure say, cocoa price to make farming more attractive, especially to the youth. And the producer price, you bet two, and if you so, you bet say. A moyen beef cattle no production you better make sure say you better improve ya silage she say better make sure say a moyen no enquire say a moyen nam kwa am na nwura mu kwa na mu didi but proper management of production of food silage I be ma and I say nwura be ma emwa no omomodi say better make sure say be dua indua and one either bits Lycosinia and a glycidia, no say no, the animals feed on. We'll plant them along the food and cattle ranch a quine wait a bear mound. We'll plant them so that when they go, they get there no, Ombenya, a journey, Omamoe, Eddie. You complete the construction and operationalization of Fisheries College at Anamabo. Also, your time no, Mama time no, or your Fisheries College at Anamabo. Under University of Cape Coast to take the direction. And then you see, even when I say baby, when by no my Nana show boy by we jack to hormone. Now construct irrigation dams across the country. And yeah, irrigation dam across the country. And yeah, irrigation dams are any meaningful said how I pussy kind of we construct very meaningful irrigation dams. Oh, now work with Poultry Farmers Association to increase capacity to meet domestic market demand and for export. Binia, so oko bring foraging Kosiana mo produce on Nyakwawo. It was a project initiated by past government, especially the NDC. And then even though with all the difficulties, they are supplying Ghana with eggs, especially Accra. They are supplying Accra with eggs. The same way, no, the NDC government will make sure say poultry farmers, no, you bet sure kina yama usika, omo be diga. Loans are omo be expanding on we say ama you training you for some more going to poultry farming. They will go into agriculture. Like to say omo feed because the moment out to me produce enough at a cheaper rate, no. No go fa subsidize we say about the capital. It will not be attractive. So this is what we're going to do to make sure say young Kwalano will go into agriculture, and when they go into agriculture, it will be very profitable for them. We will structure rural credit and the Ghana Exim Bank to improve credit to strategic agriculture, agribusiness activities. And agribusiness, agriculture, the value chain, no, and I say, ni assistance is so ni obey dia no stronko. Ni one, ni obey or this seed remember no. We produce a lot of seed farmers, improve seed farmers. And it's on the foundation cinema, then we'll get the produce the certified seed, no. And don't produce certified seed and then the farmers, no. And to Ukraine, the Eka so Odia certified seed now. A Bema Obeda a brobe or small land so. No better size small land, no, so a bit of money is coming back on the good
timelines.
What's it?
Timelines
in what sense?
Mobile improved.
No, certified seed, I said, no, also CSR, breeder seed amount. I breeder seed, man, guess a lucky spot that produce foundation seed.
Waka and Coco, Waka, a friend is saying, a brony. I didn't
within 1 year, we are starting these things.
That's what I want.
Yeah, within 1 year, we are agriculture, they say a yearly affairs. And coming back 3 crops to say, Rabani, cashew, and it take years. But I'm talking of annual crops, no. And animals no and America no. Enti yama sa value chain no near enkwala almost agriculture, those from agri colleges no, and those fresh graduates from the university no. Nana me just say me can saka odubaku so tiemia enka obe frama me won ke be me de kana me deputy minister for agri no oba me me so opaduma ope adwuma san agri officer and I'm many can me share we say no see or your crops na me can so me agronomist. And I'm and say, look, to me, no, make me yaji, but you will not make money. To make money, no, go into seed production. Many kasaya or call a best 1 year buy no kasi honorable. A small kind, no, and I'm into seed production and I'm making money more than my colleagues who are working in the civil service. And go tell me, on friend, and I said, on contact me with fear. Na me find show piece. So this is what some of the things that you are going to do. Say. The young graduates will be who are agri, whether you are an agri graduate or not an agri graduate, we will only be giving some intensive short-term training. Now we go into seed production, then those who package the seed, then those who buy the seed, and then those who also better who farmer no answer what produce no better also a different business altogether. That's the agri business. No better now or the warehouse a different business altogether. And then no better warehouse also a different business altogether, also warehouse and also one more, and the marketing people also one more on beton or no buy no to say some value changing and also be processing almost be born. So these are some of the things I say here in agriculture. A bit now boy mabuno ma agric akoso ama agric IFN. The next NDC government will hand over the management of premix fuel. Unse premix fuel no we are by law no it's supposed to be handled by the premix committees under the supervision of the landing beach committees. And the premix committees no will be supervised by the landing beach committees. That is what we did. as if you are and acquire political land beach committee. The proper land beach committee, as in our statute, I want your minimum. You better make sure say the big man and allow infrastructure development to key agro-productive.
Statutory break.
What's it?
Statutory break. I can't 1 minute.
I can't be 1 minute. Okay. And the Niamey can say, I get in the Bay Manaya Kono. Anybody who want to enter into agriculture, you better born also with credit facility. Because your Exim Bank are create here, because once you are doing it for export, those that will process it for export, we will do it and make sure say we process some of them, then we export some of them. Cocoa say no, they be any of cocoa about the call. I'm telling you, say we will get young graduates to go into processing. Our Ghana say because Nigeria, some of them are processing cocoa, so there's more credit that will give to them. Number processing cocoa, then they will export to other African countries, not exporting to Europe or America. That's not our aim. Our aim is to capture the West African market, the African market, and then the Asian market. That one we will do, and that's why I'm telling you, Senana, say, and this is about Abemu Bian. Fertilizer, fertilizer, free. Yeah, the fertilizer be more free. Don't worry, the fertilizer, no, just Kotuma NDC, Yaba Bema, Nwaji Nano, Abandi Chow, free of charge.
Mate. Ni Amasa Namwale ena Ekasa Yano.
Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.